Welcome to my channel Flutter Coding 101. It is very nice to see you all today, and today we are going to be learning something very different, something very interesting. So today I am going to be teaching you how to integrate Gemini with your Flutter application. Now a lot of you must be thinking, what is Gemini? So Gemini is a generative artificial intelligence chatbot which was developed by Google in the year 2023, formerly also known as Bard, and Gemini provides support to developers to integrate it with their applications in case if you want to make an AI based application. So today I'm going to be making, and after having done with the integration, we are also going to be making our very own app, like ChatGPT, but this is going to be a very basic version of the app. So it's going to be a text-based AI. So whatever prompts you give to the app, it will generate a response, and basically you will be sending the prompt to your Gemini, and the response will be coming over there, and we will be integrating our Flutter app with the Gemini model. And it's very simple. So let's quickly get started with this. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to add the package Google Generative AI. So you need to just copy. You can either add it from your command prompt, or you can just copy this package and you can go to your pubspec.yml file, and over there you just need to add the name of the package, or you need to add the name of your package Google Generative AI, and you need to save it, or you can run flutter pubget and install this package. Once you have installed this package, you need to go to the developers documentation for Gemini, and you need to get your own Gemini API key. So you need to click over here on get a Gemini API key. It will generate an API key for you, and once the API key is generated, you can see the API key here. You just need to copy this API key, and as you can see here, it is currently free of charge. So once you have copied it, now we will create a model. So let's create our own model. So here you can see, to create a model, use the generative model over here. Here I have defined the model that I'm using for Gemini. Here I have specified my API key. I have declared this key, and I have specified my API key. You will be specifying yours. In this generation config, you are defining the type of response type. So here I have used text plain, but you can also use application/JSON if you want your response to be in a JSON format. So after having done this, I am declaring this content variable. So inside my content, I am putting the prompt that I will be giving. So for the prompt, I will be making a text box, and I will be passing the prompt from there. And once this is done, inside my response, which is a dynamic variable, I am storing the content which gets generated over here. And let's so now that we have done the steps to integrate Gemini with Flutter, let's just see how we can make our own chat GPT application with Gemini. So for this, you can see over here the UI that I have. So I have used this normal text field with a send button over here. So I have inside a column, I have used this text field. I have decorated it. I have used the color gray inside it. I have added input decoration, and then in my on pressed, I have declared this model that I just explained to you. Now I have also declared a is loading variable. So this is loading variable is initially false. It is a boolean variable, and I set it to true when before I make the model, and after the response is generated, I clear the prompt inside my text field, and I also set the is loading to false. For my output, I am using a card in which I have specified the color and the padding and the style. So my until the response comes inside the card, I will be showing a circular progress indicator, and as soon as the response comes inside the card, I will be showing the response inside the card. So let's try a few prompts here, shall we? All right. So let's say write a small description about strawberries. So it's loading. It has given me a description about strawberries. Now let's ask it to write a story. Okay, small story about a polar bear. It's loading, and here we have a story about a polar bear. We can also give it a prompt saying what is Flutter and what is Gemini. All right. So as you can see here, it has given me a description of what is Flutter and what is Gemini. You can keep on trying and experimenting different things. Or let's say I ask it to toss a coin for me. So it tells me that it's a language model and I can simulate it. So, but the result is heads. Or let's just say, give me the recipe for chocolate chip cookies. So here it has given me a recipe for making 24 chocolate chip cookies. You can try with different prompts. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.